What is up, friends? Have you faced a problem which is how to get access advanced startup manually without any errors in your operating system? Well, today I will show you 4 simple methods to get access Windows Advanced Startup manually. But before we do that, I want to tell you the best way to decide which method to use to open Advanced Startup option is to base your decisions on what level of access you have to Windows right now, whether you are in login side or already logged in, or even your computer cannot start. But method 1, 2, and 3 are for those who are in login window or already logged in, and method 4 is for those who have issue about their OS. Please make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. That makes me happy. So let us get started. Okay, in this method we will do it in 2 different ways. The first way is if you are in login window, you can go by click restart and hold shift at the same time, and all you do is to wait a couple of seconds and advanced startup option window will appear automatically. And here it is simple. And also if you are already logged in or if you are already inside Windows, you can also do it by going Windows Start menu. Yes, and then holding shift, click restart at the same time, just like the one we did before. And all you do is you have to wait a couple of seconds, and here you are in advanced startup window. Well, in this method we are going to use settings menu just by directly going to settings. Yes, and then finding out update and security. Click on there, and in update and security choose recovery. In recovery under advanced startup, click restart now button. After that, please wait window will appear, and all you do is to just be patient and wait. An advanced startup window will appear soon. Here it's simple. In method 3, before you proceed it, you have to save all your open files and projects and close them after that safely. So after that, you have to click on start menu and type down CMD command prompt, and command prompt app will pop up and see command prompt, and you have to click on there. So there are several cases where CMD will not show up on your results. So in that case, you can also press Windows key plus R, and run app will pop up on left corner above the taskbar, and you have to type down also CMD, just like that. So on CMD, you have to type down shutdown space /R space /O. Then after that you have to hit enter. A message will pop up which is saying you are about to be signed out, and you have to hit close, and also you have to close your CMD. So you have to wait a couple of seconds, maybe 1 minute. Here it is, safely. Yes. Well, you have to insert your computer Windows 10 or 8 installed media, just like flash or CD drive, and you have to boot it from there simply, and this window will pop up which is saying how to configure your language, and you have to choose which language you will use, and you have to click it on it. After that, you have to choose your keyboard language also, and also click next. Then below install now, there is a repair now button. Click on it, and your computer will go directly to your advanced startup option without any errors. Well, now you know the 4 most easiest steps to get access advanced startup option manually without any errors came to your operating system, and I hope this video helped you a lot and solve your problems. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit like if you like this video, and comment if you don't understand any of those steps, and I will reply to you as soon as possible.